Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to naturally control aphids in the garden. Here's a clip from the show. So today I'd like to share with you how we organically control aphids in the container garden. So I know of 14 different ways to control aphids organically. If you would like to learn the 14 ways, go ahead and grab our homemade and organic pest control ebook. But here are my 4 favorite ways to control aphids. So one is pyrethrins. So pyrethrins are extract from a chrysanthemum, and you can spray it on or you can use a powder. I use Evergreen brand liquid because it has 5% pyrethrins. The other brands that I have used only have 2% pyrethrins, and they really don't work as well. So I'll put a link in the description below if you want to find this product. Pyrethrins are also effective on ants, box elder bugs, cockroaches, fleas, biting flies, fruit flies, Japanese beetles, millipede spiders, stink bugs, and quite a few more pests. Now, if I have a low population of pests, I will spray once a week, and if I have a large population of pests, I'm going to up my spray to twice a week. And you want to mix this according to the manufacturer's instructions. Number 2 is safer soap. It works on aphids if you can get it on their body, so it kills by suffocation. So aphids breathe through their pores. Now the safer soap clogs their pores and then they can't breathe. If you want to find the safer soap, I'll put a link in the description below so you can find that. Alright, number 3 is repellent spray. This can be used to repel aphids, whiteflies, slugs, cutworms. And you want to reapply after rain or once a week. So here's the recipe. Mix 1 minced bowl of garlic and 1 small minced onion in 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And you're going to put that in a quart of water. And you're going to let that steep for 3 hours. Next, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. You could use the safer soap if you want. And then you're going to strain and put that in a sprayer, and then you can spray that on the plants. Now, before we get to number 4, if you'd like to learn the other 10 ways to control aphids in the garden, you can get our homemade and organic pest control ebook, and you get it for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. And we give that away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide. And to sponsor the show, the lowest price is $8.25, so the price of a cup of coffee, you know. So if you want to do that, go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Scroll down the page, find the sponsor section, or there'll be a link in the description below the video here for you to find out. Alright, number 4 is garlic oil spray. Garlic oil spray is used for control over aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leaf hoppers, squash bugs, and whiteflies. So you're going to mince 1 bulb of garlic and soak it in 2 teaspoons of mineral oil for 24 hours. Next, you're going to mix 1 pint of water with 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, and then add the garlic mix to the water and the soap. So you're going to mix this up thoroughly. You want to strain out the garlic and then place this liquid into a jar for storage. And then use 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic oil mix to 2 cups of water. And that's what you're going to spray on the plants, and you want to cover all leaf surfaces on top and underneath. You know, aphids can be very destructive in the garden, and if you have a large population, be sure that you're spraying twice a week. If there's just a few, then just spray once a week. That'll do. But you can alternate between the different sprays to keep the aphids from getting immune to one product. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 5. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.